Hi there, my name's Dave Murray-Rust and this is the Truth Table. It's a large multi-touch surface which provides a window onto the web. So we're using it to bring some of the content that's out there on the social web, on Flickr and Delicious and Wikipedia, into a more social situation. So the idea is you're sitting with some friends and you want to talk about some ideas, and you take some of the concepts that you're starting with and you put them into bubbles on the table. Now these behave physically like bubbles, so you can take them and ping them around and they'll bounce around, they will bounce off each other and the walls. But then if there's an idea that you're interested in, you can reach out and touch it, and at that point the table will go away and it'll find ideas and images which relate to that concept. So from Edinburgh, it's come back with some images which have been presumably shot in Edinburgh. I think that one's on the meadows somewhere. So after you've explored individual ideas, you can then ask the table to suggest links between two different ideas. So if I draw a line between informatics and Edinburgh, for example, it comes back with people and PhD and NLP, which is natural language processing, which they do a lot of here. And it also comes back with some pictures. This is the foundations of the new informatics building, which is just over there. And I suspect that this is more of the same. There's quite a lot of pictures of the new building being built on Flickr. And if I do that again, we get software, people, PhD. See, that's some of the people in the Edinburgh Informatics building. This is a lecture which is taking place here. So that's making connections between different ideas. If there's an idea that you'd like more information on, you can drag a line to your information box, and the table will go away and find a definition of that idea. At the moment it's using Wikipedia, so you then get a document which you can pick up and you can scroll around and you can shrink down and pass it across the table for your friends to have a look at. Finally, there's some drawing pins which you can use to hold documents in place. And they will then rotate around that point and not get knocked around by any of the other objects on the table, or you can use them to pop bubbles. As the table suggests ideas, they have a limited lifespan to make sure that you don't get overwhelmed. So I can sit and ask for hundreds of ideas to come out of these bubbles, and you very quickly end up with millions of images, lots of ideas. But after about a minute or so, anything which hasn't been interacted with will start to disappear. It'll fall through the table and fade into the background. So this means that you don't get overwhelmed by information. And that's the truth table.